Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you take a walk through the street of the Shiping, you will notice something interesting. So many little shops selling the tofu, and even more people enjoy it. Grilled tofu is a common street snack all over the Yunnan, but trust me, the best one is coming from the Shiping, and Jianshui also. Remember this owner we met in last video? This grilled tofu is actually his favorite afternoon snacks. So, what's the secret behind the Shiping tofu? In the old town of the Shiping, there is a small museum that used to be a tofu factory. Here you can learn how tofu is made, from the start to the finish. The basic process of making the tofu is similar everywhere, but what really makes Shiping tofu special is how the soy milk is curdled. That's what we call dian tofu.
Most places use gypsum or brine for this step, but in Shiping, they use something special: a local sour spring water. This gives the tofu a super soft texture, rich nutrients, and a light, natural flavor. There's even a saying: only Shiping makes tofu with well water, and no one else does it better. They even have the original small well inside. You can try the sour water for yourself. We were lucky enough to film the whole tofu making process in a local workshop. 1. Soak high quality soybeans in water. 2. The beans are ground and filtered to get fresh soy milk. 3. The raw soy milk is gently cooked over low heat. 4. The sour, well water is added to set the soy milk into soft tofu curds. Five, the curds are wrapped in cloth, pressed into shape and drained. Finally, they rub a bit of salt on the blocks to help preserve and firm them up. Once it's cut and packed, the fresh tofu usually sells out fast. It goes from the workshop straight to the dinner table. Besides fresh tofu, there are also many kinds of dry tofu products you can buy and take home.
The best way to enjoy shipping tofu. Grate fresh and eat it hot.
There's a Chinese saying, you can't rush hot tofu, so slow grilling is key. Over the charcoal fire, the tofu browns and crisps on the outside, a natural reaction that brings out that golden crust and deep flavor. The smokiness from the fire seeps into the tofu is full of earthy, roasted flavor.
Grilled tofu in Yunnan comes in many styles. Some are soft and melty like cheese. We call them the molten tofu. Others are extra crispy like the fermented sticky tofu. Shipping's version is thick-cut and has the best of both worlds.
It's naturally fermented, but not too smelly. It's more like a mild, cheesy aroma than something funky. And my favorite? Popcorn tofu. It puffs up over the fire, crispy outside, chewy inside. It's so full of roasted soybean flavor, it almost feels like eating grilled meat. Outside Shiping, it's hard to find anything quite like it.
这种人呢就特别有嚼劲，会韧。它这种爆米花豆腐呢有一点区别，就是纯粹的、香脆的。货真价实的爆米花，油炸的豆腐片，
The dipping sauces here are also special. There's a dry mix made from local chili blends, spicy and bold, and a wet sauce made from soy sauce and garlic oil. Of course, you can mix them together. That's what most locals do. Add some local rice noodles or grilled beef strips on the side, and you've got the perfect meal. Grilling tofu around the fire isn't just about eating, it's a way of life here. You'll feel the warmth of the people and the heart of the town all by the fire. And if you enjoy a drink, try the local corn liquor. As the locals say, if you don't drink, you haven't really had the tofu.
That's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm Henxing. See you.
云南的这个食品的豆腐呢，就是属于自然发酵的臭豆腐，经过2-3天的发酵呢，它就会非常的香，吃着就发酵的那种味道特别浓郁。我个人觉得呢，就还没有什么臭味，只是豆腐香味更浓明显。